Hello, class. Today we are picking up again with lesson 5-1, multiplying integers, where today I'm going to show you some of the digits content. We're going to look at just part one today, and then you'll have an assignment similar to yesterday, where you'll be multiplying positive times negative integers and negative times positive integers. But I do want to show you some things from digits. So let's look at part one. There is a little intro video they do here that I'm going to show you. So here it is.
You know that multiplication addition. The product 3 times 2 means add 2 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. The product 3 times negative 2 means add negative 2 3 times. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Because multiplication is commutative, you can also find the value of negative 2 times 3. Negative 2 times 3 equals 3 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 6.
Okay, so basically what I wanted you to get from that is we all know multiplying positive integers. 3 times 2 equals 6. It's what you guys have been doing since you first learned multiplication, probably third grade. But just looking at now introducing some negatives into it, this is really what we talked about yesterday. Multiplying a positive times a negative gives us that negative answer. So 3 times negative 2 equals negative 6, just like we went over yesterday. So taking a look here, here's a little example video here where it says if a glacier is retreating at a rate of 7 feet per year, then the product 4 times negative 7 represents the retreat in feet of the glacier over 4 years. All right, so it's complete a number line model to find the product. So I'm not going to ask you to complete a number line product, but I'm going to just show you this quick video.
This glacier behind me is retreating uphill 7 feet every year because of ice melt. Don't believe me? Now, if you'll kindly wait here with me for 365 days, I will show you my proof.
Scientists who study glaciers collect data to determine the rate at which a glacier is retreating or advancing. Right now, the leading edge of the glacier is at 0 on the number line.
Okay, so what they're saying is that if the glacier retreated 7 feet every year, so retreating is going back, so that's where it's saying negative 7, how far will it have gone back in 4 years? So what's 4 times negative 7? Well, hopefully we know by now that a positive times a negative gives us a negative product. So the answer would be negative. And then what's 4 times 7? 28. So it should go back negative 28 feet. Click solution. Let's see if we're right. There we go. So 7 feet every year for 4 years. Each one of these little arcs representing a year. So after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, would go back negative 28 feet. Okay, so that's kind of like taking the negative times positive and putting it into a real world situation. How much would a glacier retreat? Okay, so going to let you work this out when you log on today. Negative 8 times 3. Okay, taking a couple different answer choices there. Negative times positive. Hopefully that'll help you to eliminate one of these choices right away and then help you to find the correct answer. And so when you log on today, give that a shot. And this last one I kind of like. It says write negative 20 as a product of a negative and positive integer in at least 3 different ways. So in other words, what are the different ways you could multiply and get negative 20? What different numbers could you multiply to get negative 20? And there's a lot of different ways to do that. So, and they showed you some here. Negative 20 could equal negative 1 times 20. Negative 20 could equal 2 times negative 10. Negative 20 could equal 4 times negative 5. And there's other ways you can do that too, but they just show you a couple different ways. All right, so when you log on today, go to part 1, which is assigned to you, and do that. And also, I'm going to ask you to complete positive times negative integers worksheet 2. Problems A through L at the top and A through L on the bottom. Up top, you have positive times negative. Down the bottom, negative times positive. So give that a shot today. Any questions, let me know.